I just can't see anything. Nope, that won't do. Welcome back, YouTube, to another installment of Classic Drivers. On today's episode, we're going to do things a little bit different. I'm not going to be working on a car or presenting a new tool. I'm going to be working on my garage. For the past year, Phil and I have been doing this YouTube thing, and looking back at all the videos, I see a common theme, and that being bad lighting. So today's episode, we're going to talk a little bit about lighting. Now, I'm not talking about the northern lights or the sunlight or the moonlight, tail lights, classic car headlights, carnival lights, Christmas lights, disco lights, garage floodlights, your grandma's oil burner lights, the romantic candle lights, incandescent lights. We're going to remove some old fluorescent lights and outfit my garage with LED T5 Amazon lights. Let me bring you over and show you what I got. So I'll just show you what I've purchased. Off good old Amazon, I purchased these Barina lights. These are 4 foot. They come with a bunch of different wiring. You can plug them right in. You can daisy chain them together with these plugs. Comes with the mounting hardware. And it even comes with plugs that you could hardwire. So what I'm going to do, yeah, that's a nice job I got going on here. What I'm going to do is plug them into these sockets on the where I have those LED lights. So that way they'll come on and off with my light switch, which is over here. And I have 2 switches, so maybe I'll separate them. We'll see. So I'm going to set you guys up on a tripod. I'm going to open the windows back up so you can see what I'm doing. And let's get on to this. Alright everybody, I think everybody that watches this channel is pretty much mechanically inclined to do a basic install of a light, so I'm not going to run into the fine details of installing this. There's probably 100 videos out there on the Barina T5 light install. Go check one of them out. Pick any one. I'm sure you'll get a good rundown. So what we have here is a 4 foot LED light. These things are really light. Yeah, they're cheap, but for 80 bucks, if this burns out, I really don't care. So what I've done is I picked the center of my garage right there. I measured out 16 inches from the center on each side. I installed the little clips that came with the lights. So all these things do is clip in. Now I marked the light in the center. So center of my board, and should be able to do this one-handed. That side's clipped in. And that side is clipped in. And then from my light socket over here, I've got my little screw-in plugs. I went up and I've just stapled it along the boards that I have holding up my styrofoam insulation. I left this switch that comes with the package in place so I can shut off banks if I want to. And then I come over here and I plug in the light. And if I turn on the switch without falling off the damn stool. Oh. Ah. Yeah, I fell off. The light's on. And then at the output of that light, you can daisy chain to the next light. So you can do this however you want. You can completely hide them. This one I just chose to run across. Yes, I have some ugly black tape there. I could have done it properly and used white heat shrink, but I didn't. So let's just plug this one in. There we go. Now it's really as easy as that, and it's astonishing the difference. I'm going to try and show you guys at nighttime the difference from pitch black to what it looks like with these on when it's pitch black. Hi guys, this isn't just a black screen on your television. This is the entrance to my garage. You can't see anything because it's midnight, and I wanted to show you the difference with these lights at nighttime, but in typical fashion I fell asleep. So let's head into the garage. I'm gonna hit the light switch, and would you just look at that? I can see, I'll be able to see all the little blemishes on this thing now. Should be able to get this thing maybe together, get you guys another video with that. Finally received most of the parts. So guys, I'm super stoked. This has really lit up my garage, made my garage corner look fantastic. So I hope this helps you guys see what I'm doing. Gets a better quality of a video out and makes for pleasant viewing. So guys, keep that classic driving, and check you later.